In the wake of a heartbreak storm, I found the strength to reiterate the things I swore to myself when I was younger and dreaming about seeing the world. And then you promised me one day we'd make it out to Japan. But now let's fast forward. We're lying on the floor. You threaten all the cops on me cause I refuse.
持てるようにします。
はい、お願いします。
어머. 오. 우와, 냄새도 나.
밑에 열로 지져서 봉합한 거.
신기스. 오. 왜? 각오를 다지셔야지. 잘 먹겠습니다.
모르겠습니다.
맛있겠다. 나 뿌려줘. 오빠 미담, 오빠 미담. 손님 미담.
좋지?
고마워.なんで
なんで売っちゃったんだろう。すごい可愛かったのにさ、今結構後悔してる売ったこと。すごい可愛い。
そうだね。普通にお金なかった子。
スナイデル、イエナ。人気のあるブランドはルイ・ヴィトン、グッチ。
外もいいね。予約するか。そうだ。
予約してないんですけど、2人で。
外のお酒です。
大丈夫ですか。
はい。
お願いします。
外2名様になります。
やったー。外国人としてすっごい読みづらいメニューが。
In the wake of a heartbreak storm, I found the strength to reiterate the things I sworn to myself when I was younger and dreaming about seeing the world. And then you promised me one day we'd make it out to Japan. But now let's fast forward, we're lying on the floor. You threatened to call the cops on me cause I refuse to leave the silence loudens. I surrender to your rage, book an impulse flight to Tokyo so I could get away through the neon streets and the cherry blossoms. I roam, discovering peace on my own, and with each step I'll shed the pain. These drunk kisses in the club let me forget what your name is. Tokyo, with 37 million, I'm all alone. Hidden beauty lies in silence of solitude. My pursuit of self-love syndicated this tune and it goes. Well, the streets are so loud, the colors are so bright. A kaleidoscope of couples got me feeling so lonely. Like, baby, I can't be the only one who's struggling to find a love that'll hold me right. So from Tokyo Tower to Sochi Shrine, I let my feet pitter-patter around open skies. The shadows of self-doubt's the weight I bear. The vantage point of the sunrise, you'll find me there singing.